You're probably wondering, has this girl gone crazy? Yes. Look at this. It looks like someone took a dump in this bowl. Hello, Queen Bees. It's your girl Amanda the Buzz Coach, and welcome to my kitchen. So let me tell you something about spices. Spices are freaking cool. You can add it to so many different things, especially to vegetables, and it'll make it taste instantly better. And because I can't do a simple video, I decided to kick this video up a notch. I am going to be baking something using all of the spices in my house. You heard that right. All the spices. And we got a lot of spices, people. And once we're done baking, we're going to eat it. Please subscribe. So without much further ado, let's get baking. Yeah. 3 racks full of spices, and we're going to be using every single one of them. So I'm thinking, what better way to combine all of my ingredients than in a simple little cake? So I found a simple cake recipe online, and so I'm only going to be haphazardly following that and then adding a shitload of spices. Making a cake, making a cake. I'm mixing ingredients to make me a cake. First, we're going to start with basil. Bay leaves, oh god. Ground cardamom, ground chili, ground coriander. Got a crowd favorite, some cinnamon. Hopefully that'll mask everything. Black peppercorn. Montreal steak seasoning. Makes for good steak and for good cake. Roasted cumin. Oregano. In you go. Okay, second shelf of spices. Oh, garam masala. Garlic powder. My grandmother's super hot pepper seeds. These are hot as hell. Majoram, Mexican, ground nutmeg. Mask this entire smell, would ya? Onion powder. Yeah, paprika. Ooh, that's a lot. Some turmeric. Third shell. Crushed red hot peppers. Rosemary. Some thyme. Ground sage. I don't even know what this is. Is this sugar? Watch, it's like poison that Ethan left out in case I do something like this. Salt crystal. In you go. Stevia! Gonna mask that sweetness. Cayenne, red pepper, cream of tartar, ground ginger, some ground cloves, ground allspice, and last but not least, some pumpkin pie spice. Oh dear Jesus, make this taste better. Look, that's all of my spices. All of that is in here. What? Just so you can see what the inside of this thing looks like, you can definitely see that there's every sort of ingredient in here. Got the bay leaves, got the black pepper corns. Oh dear lord, this is gonna taste interesting. I'm gonna use a cupcake mold for this because I didn't make that much. I only wanted to do a little experiment, so we're gonna put this in the oven. Here we go. In you go, my pretties. Bye! It's been about 12 minutes, and it smells really good in here. I may have just discovered something really cool with baking all the spices together. And reveal. Oh, cute. How nice that is. You are adorable. It smells like a barbecue right now. Doesn't smell bad. Salty, spicy, kind of like I want to eat dinner kind of smells. Maybe this won't turn out as bad after all. I then prepared a chocolate glaze that I laid on top of my cupcakes, and then I put them back in the fridge to help set the glaze. Once an hour was over, this was ready to eat. Hey guys, look who I found!
How's it going?
One of the poor unfortunate souls is going to be eating this with me, so the glaze.
Chocolate glaze?
I did put a chocolate glaze on this, like, white cake recipe, and then I just added a shitload of spices to it.
Okay.
And that's it. The whole house smelled like a barbecue. It smelled delicious in
Dry
here.
rub muffins.
Yeah, dry rub, exactly. It smells like dinner. Here goes nothing.
Cheers.
Here we go, guys. Cheers.
It tastes kind of like Old Bay season you put on crabs.
With the little Old Bay.
Yeah, sure.
Kind of weirdly salty.
It's weirdly salty, but I want to take another bite.
I don't think I'm in for another one.
You always lying.
It's like burning my throat as I swallow it. Ah. Oh, we still haven't hit the bay leaf though. I really want to go for the bay leaf.
You didn't grind it up?
No.
No.
Do you see it at all? Very, very, very spicy cupcake.
Is there Montreal steak seasoning in here?
I want to find that bay leaf now. I'm just gonna. Oh, I found it.
Eat that. It's gonna be. Have you ever had like the chicken and waffles Lay's?
Yes.
You always lying.
They taste kind of weird. You don't know if you necessarily like it, but you're like, I'm gonna have another one, and it just goes on indefinitely.
That's a good description for this.
Actually, if there wasn't so much salt, it actually would be not that bad.
It's our peppercorn.
You put in whole peppercorns?
There you have it. Every single spice that was in our cabinet put into a little cake, and we ate it for your viewing pleasure.
Give it a try.
Yeah, don't. Alright, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button. You know what to do. So that you can see more fun, stupid videos like this from me to you in the future. And you might see this handsome guy every once in a while.
Did you point to me when you said stupid?
Bye.